إخوتي أحبابي لكم ألف تحية نزفها تحية إسلامية.
Breweries, Nigerian breweries, come and see what is happening in this country. Ordinary bottled water that I bought from the bar, I want to take my life. I just opened the water, I turn it in my mouth. It's as if there is hot charcoal in my mouth. I have to spit the water on the floor. Look at what happened when I spit the water on the floor. Can you see water? Can you see where it's foaming? You can see the ties. You can see the red substance that is inside this interlocking stone. It's fading out. Imagine if this one go through your lungs to your kidney or to your liver. Imagine what will happen. Look at the way it's fading the. Look at the way it's bringing smoke. Sealed water. Sealed water. Nigerian breweries, Coca-Cola company. CO, whether it's made by anybody or roadside, I don't care. I bought it from a very reliable place. Look at what is happening. Water. Look at somewhere else. Look at a new ground. Look at water. Water. I turn it in my mouth. There's this burning sensation. I have to spit it out. Look at water. Look at water. Water. Sealed water. Not pure water. Oh. Not from the roadside. Oh. Look at it. Nigerian breweries. Look at the aftermath. Look at the water. Can you see? Green substances. Okay, let me put it in a plain ground. This one is ordinary interlocking white. Look at it.